Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan. For now, just now I finish my work. So I take rest sometimes then after some time rest, I wash my face and I make I don't know. I want make uh, I have planned because tomorrow have no school. So I have planned for makeup challenge like that. I don't know how to make up, so I try to put makeup on my face because I have time. So I not need wake up early tomorrow. You know guys, if hot weather, so my skin is rashes and I feel allergic, and then in cold weather naman my skin become crack, so I need put lotion and like that. So much hot guys. You ignore my background because this background is bed of my coworker, but she's sleeping in the downstairs because last time I don't care if she sleep beside me, but I don't want sleep so near of me because one time before I think last month we together sleeping in this one bed, but she always doing like that on my face during my sleeping, so my sleeping is broke. So I don't want my sleep is broke because I wake up early because I have school. So if my sleeping is not complete, so my brain and my mood is become bad like that. And I'm not, when I wake up and then the all kids is going to school, so I direct eating breakfast, do my work, and then I have rest 1 hour, 3 o'clock. But my mood is if you're sleeping not complete and then during work you feel sleeping and you feel some lazy because you feel sleeping like that, so we can, that's why I said I sleep in other bed. So that's why this is sofa, but sofa bed. You can make this sofa and you can make also bed. So I sleep here, so I feel comfortable. And then one time, I don't know what kind of brain she have, but the fan is already near this bed. I don't know what she think. Maybe her self if not do anything to of someone. I don't know. I cannot understand her brain. That's why. And then I said that time I sleeping, and then when I'm doing like that, I feel something who sleep with me. And then I said, oh my God, can you sleep far from me, but she not listening. So that's why. And my sleeping is not good, and my sleeping is so bad. I'm not sleep properly. So that's why I talked to my madam, and then I said, I'm asking when we ship and another room, because we have room in downstairs. And then that's why my madam last time and my boss show me show us the room, big, but some little renovate and paint the wall and the washroom like that. So that's why, and then I'm so much hungry. I'm not talk to her. I think 2 days I'm not talk to her. That's why. I don't know what kind of. That's why my mood is not like that. That's why she's sleeping on the downstairs. I'm not scared in the upstairs, because if before, when I was young, I think that time I was 12 years old or 13, like that, I go alone outside.